Hello everyone, this is your friend Sakib, and in today's tutorial we are going to learn about the Infinity Magic Mirror. So India, we have got a lot of festivals like Diwali, Dasera, Eid, Christmas Eve, and etc. etc. And when the festival comes into the mind, we are thinking about the decoration. So here it is a one part of a decoration which you can try this season in your Christmas or a Diwali or in a Ganpati or Ganesh Utsav festival or this. So here in the video you can see that is a mirror over here. So this is a mirror over here, and if I turn it on, so you can see this magic if I switch off the light. So this is called as an infinity mirror, and today we are going to learn how you can develop an infinity mirror by using a material which is locally available in the market in a very cheap cost. So friends, for the infinity mirror you require the best material. So first and foremost we require the wooden frame. You can use any wooden frame which is used for photos and articles. Wooden frame. Then most important, you require one mirror. So yeah, here I have taken the frame of 1 by 1 and the mirror inside 1 by 1, and you require the goggle glass. It is known as a goggle glass, or also it is also known as a one-way mirror. So here you can see it is working like a mirror, and other side it is just a glass. That's why it is known as a goggle glass. So you require one wooden frame, one side full mirror, another side one-way mirror, that is also known as a goggle glass. Then you require the RGB strip which is locally available in the market. So here I used 1 by 1 frame, so I required a 4 feet of an RGB LED strips over here, which is very cheap in cost, which is easily available in the market for 3 to 400 rupees, or 5 meters of this. But we don't require the 5 meters, we hardly required 1 to 4 meter required depending upon the frame size over here. Then you required LED RGB driver. So this kit is available in the market. So in this kit you can see one remote control of it, so where you can use generate a different patterns of a different colors over here to make it on and off. And here it is RGB driver here, see. So you can see here, so this is a LED controller with remote. So here you get a IR sensor over here, and you require a DC adapter over here. So 12 volt 1 ampere is more than enough for a 1 meter of a LED strip over here. So I have taken here a DC adapter over here which can easily fit to the driver over here. So these are the material which is required to build a infinity magic mirror. So here first you take a wooden frame over here, which is already I have done with that, completed connecting a RGB. So you take this wooden frame over here. So one side I have already pasted with a goggle glass, that is a one-way glass, and inside the wooden frame you can see here I have placed a RGB driver circuitry over here, and I pasted a strip aside of this. So the distance between the goggle glass and the mirror, it should be minimum of 4 to 5 centimeter, so that a replica image should be generated. So you can see here, see throughout here I have pasted a RGB light over here. I have placed a IR sensor here for operating of a remote control, and with the help of a drill machine I have drilled and taken a power supply wire at the output. So this I have already connected in the frame. On the mirror, whichever the design you required, so this is a mirror, okay, whichever the design you required over here, you can paste a design over here, or you can simply put any pictures or any decorative instrument, or god idol, or a picture of a god or goddess or anything, or Christmas tree or something, whatever you feel that. If it is a Diwali, something like that, so happy Diwali, or any messages over there, so you can place it on a mirror over here. I already sticked over here. Now, after doing this, I'll cover this mirror exactly into this. So there is one notch over here. So see, I've covered this frame. So the back side is the mirror, and the front side you've got a goggle glass over here, and inside we have got a RGB strip over here. If I turn on this, so you can see here. So this is how your Infinity Magic Mirror is ready. So here I've taken a flowers inside. Here you can put any Christmas tree inside, or any god or goddess ideal over there, or any picture or any sayings over there. So this is a very nice idea for this Diwali, or for the Christmas, or for the Eid festival, to decorate your wall, which is very attractive. Once you finish doing this, each and everything, the last step you required, with the help of a glue, you can stick this. So you know the glue gun, you can stick all this frame over here, and just after pasting it, you can cover this mirror with any cardboard or any card sheet paper over here, and you can hang this beautiful Infinity Magic Mirror on the wall. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel for more innovative projects which you can do at the home during this lockdown period. Thank you.
पूरा